Wait, stop. Stop everything. You got a letter.
What is it?
Hey, let me open this thing up. Yeah, open it up. Alright. Hurry up, what is it? Patience. Wow. This is my very first shop card.
Oh, the
It's
first
from
one.
Jeff's Model Garage. Jeff's Model Garage. Check it out. That is awesome. Yeah, that is awesome. I finally agree with you. Thanks, Jeff. I appreciate it. And for the kind words, sir.
Thanks, Jeff.
Says, Gerald, keep your videos coming. Keep building. Keep building. I will do. And I appreciate it. Yeah, we really appreciate this, buddy.
What are you doing? I already said that. Don't start with
There
me.
you go. You always talking.
Shut up. You act like
Why
I
you
can't
even
talk.
here? Just to why am I here? Oh, hey, buddy.
What's up, buddy?
Today, we're going to work on the radiator.
Okay.
The radiator shell.
All right.
The grill.
Okay.
And the headlights.
Is that it?
Yep. So as you can see, I'm working on the electric fan right now.
You right.
Just painting that up, getting it nice. I'm gonna keep the outside chrome though.
Can't see that.
And now, watch parts.
I am watching.
No. Watch parts.
What you mean? I'm what?
Oh, goofy.
Watch parts.
So I found a bag of watch parts at Hobby Lobby.
Cool. How much it cost?
I don't remember how much it cost,
All right.
but whatever it was, I think it was well worth it because it's a lot of
Yeah, it
pieces
looks
in
well
here,
worth it.
and you can use them for a lot of
Yeah, you
things.
can use it for anything.
So for the grill for this electric fan,
Uh-huh.
the center part, I actually used a piece of a sprocket from a watch. I don't know
Oh.
if you could tell, but that's what that is in the center. Where'd you get that grill? Oh, that was a photo etch electric fan kit.
Interesting.
The grill was the only thing I used from it though.
Okay.
Yeah, it looked really nice like that.
It do, huh?
You might should just leave it like it is.
Oh no, you crazy.
I gotta put some paint on it. But why I gotta be crazy though? I'm sorry, not crazy, just silly. Now at this point, all I could think about was the watch parts and how I could put them on this radiator. You know, and then I had it, and then it was gone. So whatever.
Ha! And you call me silly.
You're either silly or crazy. Which one is it?
I choose crazy.
No, wait, silly. Yeah, I'm silly. Wait, what?
Wow.
So I used the winder as the radiator cap.
Okay.
Oh yeah, I can see that. You see that? That works pretty good.
Yeah, dude.
So here I just glued one of the watch pieces to a brass tube.
That's
And
cool.
I'm gonna use that as a shifter. You know, one of them tall shifters. It's gonna be cool.
Yep.
Kind of look like a
brass
like
knuckle.
a brass knuckle or something. But yeah. So this next part, I was just experimenting because I seen a lot of people use salt.
Look at this
you know,
guy.
to weather their models or whatever. So I'm just gonna use this windy salt.
Windy
You know,
salt.
just for a little light weathering.
Okay.
Not too crazy, but you know. Now this is the first time I'm doing this, so don't judge me too hard.
Okay.
I first sprayed it with some brown Rust-Oleum.
Okay.
Then I put
Brown
the salt on it.
Rust-Oleum.
Then I sprayed it red,
Red. Okay.
and I brushed that off. Then I put some more salt on it, and
what?
then I finally sprayed it orange.
Orange. For what?
Cause I wanted it orange. Why you always asking so many questions? Says the person asking a question. Nah, everything I do, you got something to say about it. I didn't say nothing just then.
So annoying.
So now that I got it weathered how I like it, I put the grill in. It's photo etch.
Awesome.
I want to age it a little bit, so I'm gonna use the rust that I've been using on this model.
Cool.
And then I want to kind of open up the grill a little bit, you know, to make it look old.
Nothing but positivity.
And there you have it.
Okay.
I like it. I had my doubts at first, you know. You say I'm always saying things, but
You are.
I kind of like it, you know. Whatever. And I don't know if you could tell, but I used a watch hand for the ornament right there on the front. The lights. This is the part I've been waiting for. Really. Now, all that other stuff is cool, but this is what I wanted to see. Alright. So I just used the kit lights, you know, right off the tree. Sprue, whatever you want to call it. I found these LEDs. I wasn't going to put LEDs on this model.
Yeah, I remember you saying
but,
that.
you know, I like to look around on Amazon.
Me too.
So I found these little micro LEDs. I mean, they're so amazing because you can put them anywhere and they're so bright. So what I'm doing is I'm putting 2 LEDs in each light. So Professor, why are you doing that? Well, Goofy, I wanted to have a 2-tone effect. So, you know, I did that. I'm using this clear resin. Amazing casting. It cost $17.99. Which was cool. You know, I get a lot.
So it's yellow?
Nah, it's clear. I just put a little amber dye in it.
Oh, okay.
Because I wanted the lenses to be kind of aged a little bit. You know, if I had it crystal clear, it would look like something brand new. I kind of wanted it to look, you know, aged.
Okay, I got you.
Now, when you're mixing this, they say you should mix it slow so you don't get bubbles. But I don't really care about bubbles because I'm using this syringe to, you know, put it in the lights.
So, have you done this before?
Nope. Now, I didn't know how much to put in because I hadn't tested this before. You know, I heard it was shrinkage or whatever. So, yawn. But I didn't want to fill it up to the brim because I didn't know if it was go over or whatever. So, I don't know. I put it in and this is what we got. For the disclaimers, let's just see what we got. Now, on camera, it's really bright. But in actual life, it's not that bright. You can see the lens a little better. I mean, it's bright, but it's not that bright. So, here's the first color. I got blue.
Okay.
I got this in both of the headlights, the blue light, and as you can see, it shines pretty good.
Really good.
And this is the soft white light.
Second color.
It shines good too. Now, like I said, they're both not that bright
Hey,
in real life. I mean,
who's
they're
that in
bright,
the bottom
but
corner?
they're not that bright.
Ah, okay.
Because on the video, it just looked like a star. But
Stars are good.
yeah. So this is the power source. It's a 3-volt coin battery. You know, you can get them anywhere. I got this off of Amazon. I got a whole set of them, so I got a whole bunch of them. And voila. Wow, it looked better than I thought it would. How'd you think it was gonna look?
Oh, good. Yeah. I thought it was gonna look good.
I know I've been gone from making videos,
Yep.
and I apologize for that. But the past month has been pretty tough. You know, we lost.
Yeah, I agree.
Well, I lost my stepdad.
We lost
and,
our stepdad.
You know, right before Thanksgiving, so I've been dealing with that, and
Yeah.
so I'm just gonna end this video off by saying rest in peace.
Rest in peace, Ronald.